Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. I am fine and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God and your loved ones are safe and happy. Dear viewers, you are watching the best and trendy collections of raincoats. These raincoats are very beautiful and charming colors, specially made for rainy season, completely waterproof and windproof. Excellent romantic hooded raincoats. You guys, if you want to see much more collections about fashion, so please visit my YouTube channel Fashion Forever and search videos about your own choice like leather dresses, latex leather dresses, hunter boots, rain boots, satin silk dresses, satin silk night dresses, night robes, and much more collections of rainwear dresses. You can see on my YouTube channel Fashion Forever. Dear viewers, my video is to be end. Goodbye till the next attractive video. God bless you. Be careful.